everyone, so today's my first YouTube video. Today's going to be a full face glam, so keep watching. I'm so nervous. I don't know why. To start off anyway, we're going to be using collagen crystal eye masks, and this is just going to help catch any fallout whilst doing our eyeshadows. It's probably going to be quite chatty this video, just to ease the nerves, but you know. So my voice was zeroed in, I'm really sorry. We're going to be using Revolution Conceal and Define in C2, and that's just going to be a base for our eyeshadow. These eye masks, I'm not sure if they definitely work with the fact that they're meant to be anti-aging and brightening and stuff, but they do catch the fallout and they do make my eyes feel better. And they're so cheap, like on Amazon I think you can get them for like 6 packs for $5 or something. So if you're out to a party or something and you're taking your time to get ready, or like even in the morning if you've got to go to work but you feel tense, then they might be good for you. Okay guys, so I've zoomed you in because I'm doing my eye makeup now. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and the first shade I'm taking is Orange Soda, and we're literally just packing on the pigment quite high up in the inner part of the eye towards the eyebrow, and then a little bit lower and out slightly, and this is just to help create a nice contour of the eye. Once we've packed that onto the palette, before we actually blend that out, we're going to take burnt orange and we're going to put that not quite above, just above the crease, but just in between the colour we just put on and the one before that. Okay, so now they're both on there with plenty of pigment, we're going to start blending. So what we're going to do as well is just take it out to the outer corner of the eye, just to give it some shape, because this is going to be quite a smoky effect. Now once you've done that, what we're going to take is Rustic, and we're going to put that in the crease. We're just going to pack it on like we did all the other colours. I think actually, looking at that, we're going to go a bit darker, just a little bit more, just a tiny bit though, nothing crazy. And then on our fluffier brush, we're going to take back that burnt orange shade and just buff everything out. Okay, so now taking that deepest brown colour in the palette, we're going to pack it on this outside just to create a bit of a smoke. And on the very outer corner, we're going to take the dark black and just pack that on there too, just to create some depth to the outer lid. So then again, going with the fluffy brush, we're going to smoke it all out. I know girls, my brushes are so mucky, but don't worry, it's wash day tonight. They're getting done, finally. Takes me ages, I hate doing it. We're just cutting the crease now, and I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define. Just go above your lid slightly. We're going to set it with glistening. Once we've set the lid, we're going to blend it back in with that brown and just smoke it out so everything blends. So now I've just tidied up the outside edges just to make everything look a bit neater. I'm just going in with the Helene Glitter Fixing Gel, and I'm just applying a tiny bit of gold glitter onto the cut crease. Taking a really flat brush, we're just going to do kind of like an eyeliner, but we're just making it nice and thick and more angled up towards the outer corner. Once you've done that, we're just applying mascara, and then we're off in with the lashes. So I'm just priming my face now, ready. I've took my masks off, and I've put some lashes on. I put on Unicorn Cosmetics lashes in Rebel Smoke, and they're super fluffy on the outside edges and then a bit finer towards the inside. I'm just priming with Rimmel Fix and Perfect, and I'm about to use their long lasting 25-hour foundation. And I'm also, because this is a full Glam, I'm going to use my favourite Marc Jacobs Remarkable foundation in, I think this one's in like Ivory Medium, and the long lasting finish one is in Soft Beige, I believe, I hope. So yeah, I don't like using beauty blenders. I feel like they don't work for me. So I'm using my Real Techniques brush just to get this everywhere. I'm not sure what this looks like on camera, but this is a pretty good match to my skin tone. It's not too orange, but it's not too pink either. I find that both them foundations together, mixed together, work well for me. They seem to be like the perfect combination. You know what I mean. So now I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define again. I'm just actually going to take a blue beauty blender now. I don't mind for this. Spray it down with some setting spray. Oh. Girl. I'm just going to dab it all in. I'm then going to also put this concealer on my nose, on my chin and on my forehead to contour with. So just blending that in. Now for contour, like the actual contour part, instead of the highlighting part, I find, for me, I haven't found a contour that I like enough yet to use. I just prefer a powder. So that's what we're gonna do. So for the bronzer and contour colour, we're using the shade Dusk out of the Decca Scarlet palette 05. Absolutely love this colour. I feel like it's not too cool, but it's not too warm either. And we're actually gonna use it's meant to be like a highlighter colour, but it's actually quite like a blush. We're going to use it as a blush, and it's called Prosecco, and it's beautiful. Wait till you see this, guys. Look. So we're just going to apply that just slightly above where we've gone in with the contour. So then, using the copper colour in my Sleek highlighting palette, we're going to highlight the cheekbones, and I'm actually going to go in as well with a highlighter from Contour and More. I always use a blusher brush. I don't know how these beauty girls be like, just don't work for me. I end up looking like a bit liney. We're going to go back in with it just to soften this so it doesn't look too harsh. And we're using the Contour and More, I think it's Prosecco this is in. See, a bit liney. But we're just going to go over it because this is nice and warm, and this is going to go with our eye makeup. So we're going to put that on both sides. And then I am going to go back in with this brush, and we're just going to blend it out. Soften it so it's a bit more natural looking. Natural. Yeah. So I've just highlighted my nose, my chin, my cupid's bow, inner corner of my eyes, and my eyebrow. And now I'm just lining my lips in Foxy from Decca Scarlet. I've used Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in Spice. And now I'm just going under the eyes again just to smoke them out too. And I've used Orange Soda and Burnt Orange and a bit of that darker colour towards the outside. Finish off with some setting spray. And that is the finished look. Thanks for watching, babies.